Experiencing trouble with the MyAT&T app? You're not alone. Many users report loading issues and functionality problems. First, ensure you have a stable internet connection, whether it's Wi-Fi or cellular data. Weak signals are a common culprit. Next, force quit the app and restart it. This clears temporary glitches. Also ensure that you have at least 500 megabytes of free space. If that doesn't work, try clearing the app's cache. On Android, this is done in Settings, Apps, MyAT&T, Storage, Clear Cache. Restart the app after clearing the cache. These steps should help resolve most MyAT&T app issues. If basic steps don't resolve the problem, start with advanced troubleshooting. Make sure your MyAT&T app is updated to the latest version. Outdated versions are often incompatible with AT&T's servers. Enable auto updates in your app store to prevent this in the future. Next, check your device's operating system and update it to the latest version if possible. Compatibility issues between the app and your OS can cause loading problems. As a last resort, try uninstalling and reinstalling the MyAT&T app. This ensures you have a fresh, uncorrupted installation. If problems persist after trying these steps, the issue may be on AT&T's side. Check Down Detector or AT&T's official status page for any reported outages. During peak times, server overload can cause temporary access problems. Contact AT&T support for further assistance. Finally, to minimize future issues, consider using AT&T's web-based tools as an alternative. Also, be aware of potential security threats. Secure authentication can indirectly prevent app slowdowns.